The presentation of the annual financial statement for the year 2019-20, the budget वार्षिक अहवाल 2019 अर्थसंकल्प माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी सादर करचो.
तुमची परवानगी बसून कर.
तुम्ही बसून उलयात.
स्पीकर सर, तव सेवा कार्य घडो मज ही अल्पस अंकित तव रूप असो सुदही पटी असो जीवन सुमना पूजेस्तव तवा तवची हे असे जाणीव ही देवी वसो हृदयी सर्वदा स्मरून निगो मांत देवी मूर्ती सौख्यदा प्रेम भरे हृदय भरे नमन तव पदा. Speaker sir, with these words of Damodar Achyut Kare, I bow before my motherland and Goa and Goikarpand. Sir, both Goa and Goikarpand have given me a lot. Love, affection, praise, honor, and of course the countless blessings. And today once again I promise that I will serve Goa with sincerity, integrity, dedication until my last breath. Sir, present circumstances have prevented me from delivering a detailed budget speech, but there is a Josh that is too high, very high, and I am in Hosh, fully in Hosh. And I am sure that my fingers will speak more than words. Figures will speak more than words. And further, these figures will be effectively translated into results. Sir, pursuant to the provision of Article 202 of the Constitution, I hereby table following before the House. The annual financial statement, estimated receipt for the year 2019-20, the demand for grants for year 1920. Sir, I take this opportunity to present the budget, the fiscal profile for the year 1920. The total gross budgetary expenditure works out to be 19,548 crores for the year 1819, representing an increase of 14.16%. Out of this estimated expenditure, 13,308.26 crores is towards presenting 14.6% of the total established expenditure of rupees 13,308.26 crores is towards revenue account and rupees 4,947.45 crores is towards capital account. Sir, the gross estimated receipts for the year 1920 is rupees 16,035.22 crores as against 13,364.95 crores. Estimated for the year 1819 showing an increase of 17.35%. The state-owned tax revenue, including state share of central taxes, is rupees 9,039.19 crores as against 8,250 57 crores. Estimated last year, the share of central taxes for Goa was rupees 3336 against rupees 2979 crores estimated for the last year, representing an increase of 12%. The non-tax revenue is expected to be rupees 3,250.90 crores. So this year too, I have maintained the legacy and I am happy to announce that the year a revenue surplus of rupees 455.10 crores is estimated. The details of allocation of major sectors made in the budgetary estimate are attached. Sir, thrust of my government will continue to be on agriculture. Hence, health, education, information technology, employment, infrastructure, and overall sustainable economic development. Sir, in order to discharge the responsibility, one government expenditure, including the ongoing revenue and capital schemes, pending passing of the full budget, I seek a vote of account for the first 5 months of the year. Sir, my government will announce all the details of the previous.
Honorable CM, it may be circulated. We'll circulate it. आम्ही तुमचे जे सगळे पेपर्स असतात ते सर्क्युलेट करतात. Right. आम्ही सर्क्युलेट करतात. या माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी उरलेलं सगळं स्टेटमेंट वाचलं हे कन्सिडर करचे. सेक्रेटरी सर्क्युलेट कर. बजेट कॉपी सर्क्युलेटेड. बजेट कॉपी त्यांच्याने सर्क्युलेट करून करतले.
बजेट ह्या पळय इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली दिता.
राईट.
सगळ्या मेंबरांक आयपॅडा सारकें हें मेळटलें. तातूंत भितर सगळें बजेट लोड केल्लें.
माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी इलेक्ट्रॉनिकरित्या हे फावटी बजेट सर्क्युलेट केल्लो आसा. आमी सगळे जाण मेळून तेंचें अभिनंदन करुया आनी आता सभागृहा मुखार आनी कांयच कामकाज नाशिल्ल्यान हे सभागृह फाल्यां 31 जानेवारी 2019 सकाळीं 11:30 मेरेन आमी स्थगीत करता.